How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're emptying the vacuum kiln. We got some 60-inch wide, actually 58-inch wide maple. One single piece of wood, massive stuff, and some very short coffee table stuff. We then will be fully loading this with coffee table slabs. So enjoy some shots right now of the wood, of our telehandler, and just a beautiful rainy day.
Guys, I'm just doing some filming here. Just, on a tractor. It's pretty sick.
So we actually have the kiln half unloaded. We use a telehandler for this. You can see this in the background. And what that is, it has a boom arm that's able to boom out up to 50 feet is what ours can do. That way it's very easy to move the wood into the shop, set it down, come back to the kiln, boom out, slide more wood onto it, and just continue the process. Super handy machine.
How's it going, Paul?
Going great. Check it out. We're almost done. We got 3 slabs left on here. We got some killer footage, I think, booming in and out. And check out this machine. It's such a help. It can lift 10,000 pounds this thing, which is pretty much what this log weighed before we put it into this kiln. All right, I know we're gonna get asked a ton of questions about this beauty machine, so let's go inside the cab. We'll get a little more detail on what's going on. All right, so we're just gonna give you a quick glimpse of what this machine's capability is. It can lift 10,000 pounds, and it has a boom that reaches out 50 feet. We're gonna extend that boom and show you what it does. So it's just got a trigger here on my joystick. I can pull back on it. It's gonna lift my boom up. Go down, my boom goes down, and it's got a little trigger here that I just push it and it booms right out. So we're gonna give you some shots of all that right now. Maybe we'll just get an in shot right now too. And I think you'll go out there and I'll extend the whole thing, and it'll just be like more of a time-lapse shot or something. So that's a quick glimpse into the Kiln telehandler. I believe it's an HTL 9055. So if you want to see some more videos, obviously check out on YouTube here. There's some more videos of this awesome machine. Let's get back to it. We gotta load the kiln now. We've been hard at it, emptied the kiln. We also surfaced about 400 or 500 board feet of white oak for a customer that we're producing a bunch of 3-inch and 4-inch trim, I believe it's for him. So we did that already. I didn't capture any footage on here, but I got a time lapse on my phone. So hopefully I remember to give it to Sebastian and you'll check it out. Justin's up in the shop right now, jointing one edge of that lumber, and then we're gonna be ripping it to 3 and 4-inch widths through the table saw. So Sebastian will get some footage of that because he's gonna head up there right now. Check it out. Obviously with an empty vacuum kiln, we need to load it back up. So we got a bunch of, we call them white wood shorts. So these are cut at 8/4, which is about 2 1/8 of an inch thick, up to 6-7 feet long. And the species would be ash, elm, Manitoba maple, hard maple, spalted maple, all sorts of maples. I said ash already. I think I said elm already. We got cherry. What else we got in here? Anything else? Any other species? Hickory.
Butternut.
Oh, we got some butternut and we got some hickory in here. So basically anything but walnut that grows locally around us is we call a whitewood. So Troy's been working hard loading the vacuum kiln. It's a jigsaw puzzle when we do this. Sebastian will show you some pics of that jigsaw puzzle right now.
Hey everyone, I'm at the joiner. If you didn't already know what it's used for, it's for flattening faces and edges of your rough material. So this is an example of our board after it's gone through the joiner. Got a flat edge versus the rough side.
So there we go, no introduction for this one, but we just pounded through about, how many board feet was this?
Oof, 9 times, well, lots, I don't know.
Lots of board feet. He's making a dining table?
Yeah.
Conference table? Yeah, dining table, cool. And it took us about 15 minutes or so?
It was quick, yeah, quick and
quick.
easy.
How long would it have taken you?
Like days.
Days of work.
And back-breaking.
This 10,000 pounds, 60 horsepower, spiral head, jointer planer, all in one pass. Days of work in 15 minutes. You heard it here. So thanks a lot.
Yeah, man, it was awesome. Thanks.
Cool. Bam! Fully loaded vacuum kiln cart, 16 feet long, 4 feet tall, 4 feet wide, got probably around 2,000 board feet on here. mixed species, mostly 2-inch thick, ash, elm, all sorts of whitewoods. Any wood that grows locally in Ontario, except for walnut, is on this cart right now. Fully loaded, and we're gonna wheel it in right now. So let's do this. Give me 3 more inches. Woo! Alright, back row. Still regular speed. Awesome, so check it out. We've just rolled in the kiln cart. Troy is going to push the hydraulic press down, so he's going to push that down. So right here, there's going to be a hydraulic press that comes down. Sounds kind of cool. Engage the hydraulic press. Engaging. It's engaged. Woo. So it holds it under 6 tons of pressure while it's drying nice and flat. If you're wondering what these are, this is a positive and negative plate. And we have 20,000 watts of power flowing through the wood to heat it. So we're gonna close her up now and turn it on. There you go. All right, that's it, we're all done. We dressed the lumber, we emptied the vacuum kiln, we loaded the vacuum kiln, and we got to play around with the telehandler. Zoom the boom out, show you guys a little bit of what it can do. As always, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, comment below. Till next time, have a great one.